30,000 rupees in just 11 days. Yeah, I made 30,000 rupees in just 11 days in this single platform. Not only this, I'm making around 50,000, 60,000 per month easily with this one platform from the comfort of my home by using smartphone and internet connection. And also I'm creating a multiple income source from this actually. You can even think, what is she saying? You can see my proofs also, how I made the amount in just 11 days. Don't worry, I'll say each and everything in this video, but at the very end of this video, I'll share the exact roadmap with by just spending 2 to 3 hours for a day from the comfort of your home and never disturbing your current schedules, you can still make 30, 40, 50k per month even as a beginner. So don't skip this video, otherwise your doubts will not be clear and your questions will remain unanswered and you will not get to know what exactly the work is. So watch the video till the end without skipping. Hi, hello. I'm very sure that you have researched how to earn money online, how can I start a side hustle, etc. But what if you have got a chance to earn money, that too a satisfying income by just using your mobile phone from the comfort of your home? Does this sound good? So yes. So say you are a working woman who is earning a good income, but that's not enough for your monthly expenses and who has to take care of household chores, kids, and also give 8 hours of your work and unable to focus with all the stress and pressure, or you are a homemaker who is willing to help your husband financially by sharing the monthly expenses, or you are a woman who has come back from your maternity or career break and unable to concentrate on work due to the things that are updated while you are on a break, or unable to upskill or unable to balance the new mom life and your work. So with all your pressure, stress, lack of focus, and you always look forward to an environment that provides you a comfort and stress-free life. Correct? So for those women, this video will definitely help to gain more confidence and achieve success. Hence, I would request you not to skip, move forward or pass multiple times. Just watch this video completely and I promise you will not regret later. Before everything, let me introduce myself. I myself Logambika Bhaskaran and I am from Erode, Tamil Nadu. I am a mompreneur. I am the mother of 4-year-old boy. I have been balancing my work and life for the past 3+ years, but still I am not satisfied with my earnings, even though I put a lot of effort in my journey. So secure my future and to be a financial support for my husband, I started thinking about it. That's when I realized that I need a secondary income stream and started searching for one. Let me tell you how I came to know about this. Days passed and I felt that my husband was solely taking the complete responsibility of the house, which was also becoming quite tight and burden. Looking at the situation, I felt that I have to somehow help him, but I decided not to get back to my job as the hectic life would even more stress me. Everyone say that when you want something really badly, universe or God, everything conspires to make that happen for you. The same thing happened to me. One day when I was scrolling reels on Instagram, I saw that in one of the reels, there was a girl who was claiming that she is making more than 40,000 to 50,000 per month with the help of just her smartphone and her social media. I thought that this must be a sort of some scam or fraud because earlier one scam did happen with me in the name of job. So I was really scared, but then thought I am not able to find any other option. So I clicked her profile, I checked her highlights, I checked her every single thing, and I actually got to know that this is actually a safe and legal platform. This company is actually registered on a government website, mca.gov.in. And not only her, there are lots of people who are making money with this platform. Even 16, 17 years old people are also making money with this platform. This is not only for people like me or you. We have many people who have different backgrounds. For example, we have doctors, homemakers, Swiggy delivery boys, students from 10th standard onwards. I checked every single detail and then I got a little assured that yes, this is absolutely safe and legal. But still, I was little scared. But then I had no other option. I wanted to make money somehow. I wanted to help my family, myself. So I started my journey and I'm so grateful because with the help of this platform, trainings, my mentor guidance, and with my own hard work and consistency, I kept going. I started this opportunity and I'm making massive income happily and easily every single month just by giving 2 hours of my day with the help of my smartphone. So So with the help of this one opportunity, I was able to help my family. I'm going on trips with my own money as a family. I have become financially independent. I have gifted iPhone to my partner. I'm fulfilling every single dreams that everyone seeks. I'm just like you. I had zero knowledge. I had zero experience of this work. But if I can do this, you can also do this too. With my hard work, my consistency, with company's training, and I am achieving very much every single day. I know you still must be thinking whether this platform is safe or not, but why should we trust this, right? And why wouldn't you? Because there are lots of scams going on in the market. I'm fully aware about that. So I'm showing you on my screen live that this platform is registered on government website mca.gov.in. You can check yourself on Google also. Okay. So just follow the steps and you will find the same results that this platform is absolutely registered on this government website. Okay. You can also see company's GST certificate and incorporation certificate on my screen. And even company received a special GST certificate from the government itself for the timely filling of taxes. This certificate isn't itself a proof that the company is recognized by the government. This is not a small certificate actually. So how this company can that be a scam, right? So I'm sure that you must be fully satisfied that this company is actually registered on government website. This is actually safe and legal. So the company I'm talking about is iDigitalpreneur, the digital university. It is an edtech platform which is based out of Delhi, which is legally registered on government website mca.gov.in, and it is started in 2020. Now, there are 2 to 3 ways to make money with this platform. But let me tell you what company actually provide. So the company provides you training and high paying money making skills, and also you can monetize with those skills. So high paying skills like web development, drop shipping, Facebook ads, digital marketing, video editing, graphic designing, etc. And company has planned to bring many more amazing courses in the future also. So you get lifetime access to more than 40 plus high paying money making skills, which is actually in demand in the industry. And after completion of all these courses, you get a proper certificate. It's a certificate that has a MSME certified stamp on it, which is also recognized from the government itself. And these certificates holds a very high value in the market. You can add these to your resume. You can apply for good jobs and internship with any other company also in the industry. Okay, because these certificates that you are getting are very valuable, and to learn these skills, you do not need any kind of prior experience or prior knowledge, because you will get complete training, complete support and complete guidance, and you will get to learn everything with zero from scratch. So the first way to make money with this platform is through freelancing. So freelancing means when you provide your skill as a service to the people and you are working with multiple people on multiple projects on a timely basis as per your time flexibility, as per your charge, as per your preference. Okay, so suppose you had learned the skill of web development and now you know how to create website, right? So now you can create a website for one person and you will charge accordingly. You can create another website for another person at the same time and you can charge accordingly. So this is the way you provide your skill as a service for multiple people. You can work on different projects at the same time as per your availability. So the company is giving you lifetime access to more than 40 plus courses with high paying skills. You can learn as many skills as you want. This is completely your choice, and on the basis of the skill, you can do freelancing. So now you must be wondering, how would I get clients or projects? Because I don't know anyone. I am a beginner. How would I do this? So don't worry, because I told you the company provides you full guidance and support. So the best part is that there is a freelancing section available where after completing your courses and after completing a certificate with proper learning and implementing it, and by making your portfolio and making your resume, you can apply for freelancing projects with the company itself. The company will go through your application and will forward it to the companies where there is a requirement of that skill. And also company invites special industrial experts from different fields who comes and guides you, like how can you grow your freelancing career through online platform like Upwork, Fiverr, LinkedIn, etc. You will get everything to learn from them, and there is a training section where you will get access to the previous recordings, where we previously invited some industrial experts to guide you on the same thing. So you will get complete guidance and support so you can grow your freelancing career. So you will learn the skill, you will implement it, and then you can make money through freelancing. Now, let's talk about the next way to make money with this platform, and that is affiliate marketing. So affiliate marketing simply means that by sharing about these courses with someone else, and when someone else enrolls with you, the company provides you 70 to 80% commission. So how would you exactly do this, right? So don't worry. You will be guided with each and every single thing. You will get proper trainings from zero, from scratch, to get to know how you can make money with affiliate marketing with this platform. So the company has the main package, and the first and the best package of the company is Premium Plus. I currently have this package. My students are also currently having this package only. And with the help of this package, you can create massive results. And with this package, you are getting lifetime access to all the skills, all the courses which are available on the company website itself. So you are getting access to more than 40 plus courses, and even the company which is going to launch new courses in the future, and you will get access to those courses also. With the help of this package, you can make around 60,000 to 70,000 per month even as a beginner. Now the next package is Finance Premium Package, which is the second best package of the company. With the help of this package, you can make around 40,000 to 50,000 per month, and you are getting lifetime access to more than 35 plus courses. And the next package is Supreme Package. You can make around 30,000 to 40,000 per month, and you are getting access to 25 plus courses. So now, exactly how would you make money with these package? So suppose you have Premium Plus package, right? And if someone enrolls through you with Premium Plus only, then you get a direct commission of 14,500. If someone enrolls with Finance Premium Package, then you get a commission of 10,000. If someone enrolls with you with Supreme Package, then you get a commission of 7,000. So similarly, in case if you have Finance Premium Package, then what all would be your commission? In case if someone enrolls with Premium Plus with Finance Premium or Supreme Package, you can see the complete commission structure on my screen. So if I talk about the potential, then Premium Plus has the highest potential to help you make money even 60 to 70,000 per month as a beginner. And this can go massive also. As I am talking about even more than 1 lakh, 2 lakh, 3 lakh plus and more for a month. I'm sure that by listening about this affiliate marketing, many of you must be thinking that, is this a chain marketing or network marketing? I assure you that it is completely not chain marketing or network marketing. In network marketing or chain marketing, you are connecting people with more people because your income also depends on other people's income who are joining with you, because you are getting commission of their income also. Here in affiliate marketing, that is completely not the case, because when someone enrolls through you and you get a direct commission from the company itself, that you are not responsible for anything. However, the person is using those courses or what he or she wants to do, that is completely not your responsibility. You get a commission and that's all. So for your clarity, I would give you better example. So now you must be seeing celebrities or even content creators on Instagram or YouTube where they tell you about a product or an app in that video, and then they will ask you to purchase that product or sign up the app by going to their profile bio or in the comment section, right? So what is happening here is, when you are purchasing that product using the link or when you are signing up that app, the company is giving them a commission. So similarly, you are doing the same thing here. And if you are not interested in doing affiliate marketing, then also you can do freelancing with the basis of that skills or courses that you are learning. And on the basis of that skill or courses, you can apply for good job and internship with any other company also, or in this company here itself. This is completely your choice. If you are thinking that, okay, now I also wanted to do affiliate marketing with the company, but I have zero knowledge, I have zero experience, I don't have that much followers on Instagram, or I am an introvert kind of person, I don't know how to talk to people, I don't have that many friends. So don't worry at all, because since the beginning I am telling you that you will be guided and supported in each and every single thing by this company. To be very honest, when I started my journey, I hardly had this very few followers on my Instagram. I learned every single thing with this company trainings only. Like I don't need to chase people or I don't need to go to people. People will come to me asking how to work through social media. How even if I don't want to show my face, still I can do this. So I learn every single thing through this company trainings, and everyone who is starting their journey with this platform, they are starting with zero knowledge and zero experience, but with the help of the company trainings they are easily able to make money through affiliate marketing with this platform. If you are still thinking that whether I will be able to do this or not, then I have one question for you. In your childhood, do you know how to walk, or does anyone know how to walk when they are born in this world? Because we learn things when we come to this world actually. Did you know how to ride a bicycle, or did you know how to drive a car or bike? But you have learned those things when someone taught you, right? So similarly, when you want to learn anything and if someone is there to teach you, then we will be able to learn that thing, right? So even if you don't know how to drive it, but if someone teaches you and you are ready to learn, then you will be able to learn, right? We only need to have learning attitude. And if you want to learn anything, then we can learn anything in this world. Nothing is impossible. So if you are ready to learn, then the company is ready to provide you with every single support and guidance. Company provides you 2 to 3 live sessions in every week. And if you do miss those live sessions, then you also get proper recording for those sessions also. Okay. And also the best things, you are getting my personal mentorship, my guidance, and my one-on-one support, my hand-holding support also. If you are ready to learn, then I'm ready to help you and provide you proper guidance with my personal roadmap that how you can make money with this platform and with my personal mentorship. Many of my students, they are making even 4,000, 10,000 rupees every single day. So if they can do this, you can also do this too. And if you are thinking for some reason that you want to do affiliate marketing, but I do not want to show my face for any reason, right? So there is no compulsion of showing your face even on social media for doing affiliate marketing. You can easily make money without showing your face also, because there are lots of Muslim girls who are working with this platform without showing their face. They are making good amount of income actually. Even there are a lot of my own female students who are not showing their face anyway, but they are still making good amount of, so you don't have to worry about it at all. Now, what are the benefits you will get once you start your journey with iDigitalpreneur? So the first and foremost thing is that you are getting 2 to 3 live sessions every single week from company experts who will guide you how you can make money using different opportunities, using different skills actually. And they will provide you proper roadmap, proper strategies, how you can make around 50 to 60,000 rupees per month even as a beginner. You get proper guidance and support of the company technical team that is always available to help you with your doubts and your queries. On Sunday to Sunday, company invites live different industry experts from different fields who guide you how you can grow your career in freelancing through different platforms, and you can get lifetime access to the courses and to the trainings and the community. Also, you can get a fully sponsored national international trips. You can also get awarded, rewarded for many things once you keep completing and once you keep achieving. And the best part that you are getting here is best benefit, that is my personal mentorship, my guidance, my one-on-one support, and what are all the strategies, what are all the roadmap I use, and what mistake did I do that you need to avoid in your journey. I share all the things with my own knowledge to my students. iDigitalpreneur is also featured on Josh Talk. Company CEO Mr. Ashutosh Pratihas is also a TEDx speaker. So I am very sure that now you are also well aware with the level of the company, with the level of iDigitalpreneur. So like I told you before, company has 3 main packages. The first and the best package of the company is Premium Plus. The next package is Plus Premium. And the next package is Supreme. So to start your journey with this platform, with this company, you need to purchase any one package of your choice out of these packages. You can do affiliate marketing, either freelancing, and anything that you want to do with this package. You must be thinking, why should I start my journey with iDigitalpreneur, or why should I even do this work? Okay, so let me tell you one thing. From our childhood till our graduation, our parents would have spent more than 15 to 20 lakhs for our education, right? And today, You know the market situation of the job, right? You're not even getting a 15 to 20,000 rupees job after doing masters or even an MBA degree, because not everyone can afford to go to best universities or best college, right? And even if you're doing that, still you will find it very difficult and to find a job in this nation right now. Am I right? And even if you do get a good job, then you are doing 10, 12 hours work every single day. You are not getting the time for yourself and your family. You are not able to save enough money. You're not able to financially support your family and even fulfill your dreams. Every single year, more than 1 crore students are graduated in this country for any government sector or any private sector. It is practically not possible to generate jobs for all those students. Out of these 1 crore students, only 20 to 25 lakh students get job, and other students, they remain unemployed or underemployed. If you are someone who wants to help yourself financially, who wants to become financially independent, and you want to do this along with your job just by the comfort of your home, just by giving 2 to 3 hours of your day, then you can generate good amount of income with the help of this platform. This platform is providing you trainings and knowledge in those high paying skills which are in demand in the industry right now. So we want to make money, then we have to enhance our knowledge, then we have to work for our skill. Only then we will be able to generate good amount of income, right? That is the reason we keep on doing bachelors, then we do masters or even PhD, right? Because the more knowledge we have, the better job opportunity we get, the better income we can create for ourselves. So similarly, if you want to generate more amount of income, then you have to work on your knowledge. And if there is a platform which provides you or helps you with all those things, then why not start your journey with that platform? Why not do that work? Why not learn such skills which are actually in demand in the industry? Why doesn't want to make money? Everyone wants to make money, right? And now, if you're thinking, I am only 16-year-old, 17-year-old, or I am 28-year-old, I am just studying, or I am a working professional, or I am a homemaker, I don't have the qualification or this qualification or that qualification, I'm just 12th pass, so don't worry at all. You do not need any kind of experience or knowledge to start your journey. With this platform, you will start your journey with zero knowledge, zero experience. You will get proper hand-holding support and guidance from my end. You will get proper support and guidance from the company. Also, you need is your smartphone and your internet connection. You also do not need your laptop at all. And you need is learning attitude. Then you are good to go. If you are someone from the country like Bangladesh, Nepal, or even UAE, then also you are eligible to start your journey with this platform. And if you are someone from any other country except this, then you can also start your journey with this platform on the basis of your Indian document. If you have like Aadhaar card and PAN card, then you can start your journey with this platform. Now, you can only give your 2 to 3 hours of your 24 hours any time of the day. You can give your time in the morning, in the afternoon, in the evening, any time that is more convenient and flexible to you to get proper time flexibility with this platform. If you're not available on weekdays, then you can learn and implement these things on weekends also. But yes, if you are a beginner, then I would suggest you to give at least 1 to 2 hours daily so that you can learn with proper consistency. But this is just my recommendation. That is not a compulsion, and even if you miss any of the live recordings, then you can get proper recording of those sessions also. Okay, so you do not need to worry about anything at all. Just by giving 2 to 3 hours your day, you can easily make around 40 to 50,000 per month even as a beginner. The more time you will give, the more money you will make. So it will completely depends upon the hard work, your effort, the kind of time you are giving to this platform. Now, let's talk about the investment part. Is it really important to pay first? Yes, my friend, you have to pay the money first. You tell me, do you get anything for free in this world? Is your phone for free of cost? Is your internet connection is for free? No, right? Whatever payment you are making, whatever money you are spending on your knowledge and your education, and this is the one-time payment, and you will get lifetime access to all the courses and all the trainings and the community part also. Now you tell me, haven't you paying the money for your knowledge or your education? You have been, even after spending 15 to 20 lakhs on your education, we are not able to find good job of even 50 to 20,000 in the region right now. And even if we do, then we spend 10 to 12 hours in that job. Now, Just by making less amount of investment with this platform, you get lifetime access to more than 40 plus skills which are high demand in the industry right now. And you do not even need to give 10 to 12 hours of your day. You just need to give 2 to 3 hours and you still generate a massive income. So if there is a platform which is providing us trainings and all those high paying skills and providing us live mentorship trainings from different industrial experts, giving us sponsored free national international trips, how can that platform be free of cost? So as my friend, you need to pay the money first. It is also important that if any opportunity asks for investment first, then that is a scam only, because I know there are lots of scam going on in the market and which ask you for investment. Then they just do the scam with you, or they are just kind of fraud. Okay, you need to recognize what I am telling you about the opportunity and what those opportunities are. I am not claiming or promising you that once you invest first, then you will start making money the next hour or you will get in double. This is not some kind of get rich quick scheme. You will have to learn first. You will have to implement whatever you are learning. You get proper trainings first. Whatever you are paying for the education is for your knowledge. Okay, so those kind of opportunity are scam. Whatever they promise you that you will get the money double even the next hour of your investment, and they do not give any proper details. But here, I'm sharing every single detail with all of you. And if you're thinking that I do not have money, then arrange for money. Take your parents' help, take your friends' help, or take your husband's help. You tell me one thing, by God forbid, if anything happens to your phone, you will arrange the money for your phone, right? You will ask help from your parents, you will ask help from your friends, you will arrange the money from here and there, but you will arrange the money somehow. So, if you are serious for your phone, then why can't you be serious for your career? If you are thinking, I want to do this, but my family won't help me or my family won't support me, then tell me honestly, will they actually not support you? And if you are thinking my family won't understand, they will not help me, whose family don't want to see you grow or make money? Even when I started my journey, I faced the same problem. That is why I'm discussing this with you. So, when I shared about this platform with my family, with my husband, so I did not tell him about the earning part. I only told him about the skill part, because our family belongs to an old generation. They are not aware about the freelancing, the skill which are in high demand. They are not aware about the online platforms. For them, it is just a scam or a fraud, right? And they obviously wanted you to be safe. So the reason I'm sharing this with you, because I also told my husband about just the skill part, and you can also do the same. You can tell them that you are getting to learn these skills which are high demand in the industry that you do not get to learn in school or colleges. But if you were being taught these skills in school or colleges, then we would have made money already. You want to make money, for that only you connected with me, right? So this is the reason you connected with me, because you are not making money, because you are not aware about these skills. You do not have these skills, right? So you can tell your family about these skills, this video editing, web development. Okay, then how can these skills actually help you to grow your income and career? Okay, and once you start making money with this platform, then you can surprise your family just like I did. Once I started making money, I surprised my family, my husband. And what do you think? Was they proud or was they angry? Of course, they were proud and they were very happy. So similarly, you can also do this. Also, if you are thinking, okay, but how will I withdraw the money that I'm making with this platform? So there is a weekly pay system with this platform. So through affiliate marketing, whatever money you are getting in this single week, you get the money credited into your bank account after deducting 5% TDS by Tuesday or Wednesday the upcoming week itself. For that, you have to get your KYC done. Don't worry, I'll support you and guide you with every single thing so that you can get your KYC done after your registration. And in case of freelancing, you get directly paid from the claim itself. Now, if you are ready to start your journey, but you are thinking with which package should I start my journey or which is the best package of the company. So, like I told you, Premium Plus is the best package of the company. With the help of that package, you can achieve massive results. And to be very honest, currently, I also have this package. So, if I were you, I would directly start my journey with Premium Plus package because that is the best package and you will get lifetime access to 40 plus skills and even the future courses that the company is going to provide and launch. You do not have to pay anything anyway. Again, this is the one-time payment that you will be making. With the help of Premium Plus package, I could actually make more than 60,000 rupees in a single month. So obviously, you should also start with a journey with Premium Plus. I suggest Premium Plus directly to all my students because with the help of that package only, you can also make money 60 to 70,000 per month even as a beginner. You can easily achieve awards, rewards, all the qualification with the help of this package and your income can keep growing with the help of this package as you keep learning and implementing. So a package that provides you so many benefits is Premium Plus. What could be the price of this package? 80,000? 70,000 or somewhere around 50,000? No. So the actual price of the Premium Plus is 30,000 rupees. But the company gives me some discounts, coupon codes with the help of which you can get heavy discount of Premium Plus package. So can you guess what would be the discount of this package? Maybe 5,000, 2,000, anywhere around 1,000? No. So you are getting a massive discount of 8,000 rupees on Premium Plus package and you only have to pay 21,999 rupees. And again, this is a one-time payment. You are getting lifetime access to all the courses, all the trainings and all to the community and to the future courses. You would not need to pay anytime, anywhere. Again, you are getting all the trainings by the company. Plus, this is the limited time offer. This offer does not remains for all the time. And the best part is that you are going to get my personal mentorship worth 10,000 rupees for free. So, whatever payment you are making for Premium Plus, you are only paying for the courses, the knowledge, the trainings that you are getting. So, you can achieve so much with the help of this package. This package has transformed my life, my students' life, and I am sure this will transform your life too. So, this is a limited time offer. So, in case if you are thinking that this is out of my budget, I can't pay this much to start my journey, then only I'll recommend you to start with the second best package is Finance Premium. Otherwise, massive results you can only achieve with Premium Plus package. So, for Finance Premium package, the company website price is 23,000. But on this package, also you are getting a discount of, again, you are getting a massive discount of rupees 7,000 and you only have to pay 15,999 rupees. But even if you are thinking that you can't start your journey with Finance Premium package, also there is an option for you. That is Supreme package also with which you can start your journey. Again, its original price is 17,700. But you get a discount of this package also. And you only need to pay 11,800 rupees. This Finance Premium or Supreme package, I don't generally recommend to my students because the lower the package keep getting, so its benefits also keep decreasing, right? And one more disadvantage is that you don't get my personal mentorship in Finance Premium or Supreme package. Suppose that I told you company is planning to launch new courses in the future. So suppose if you have Supreme package and new courses is launched in Premium Plus package, then you would have to pay full price of Premium Plus package of 30,000 rupees in the future to access that course, okay? Because you won't get the discount of 8,000 rupees. Today you are getting the discount, but in the future you won't get discount to upgrade yourself to Premium Plus package. Then it is a kind of making double investment for you. Also, once you have become a part of this community, iDigitalpreneur, you will start learning, you will start making money, and you will see that other students are making more money with the help of only Premium Plus package as compared to you. Yourself realize the potential of Premium Plus package and then you would yourself want to upgrade to Premium Plus and then again you would not get the discount of 8,000. You would have to make the complete payment of 30,000 rupees and again will make a double investment for you. So it is better to start your journey with the best package directly and get my hand-holding support also to support you in your journey and to help you make money. If you are thinking once I start my journey, what will be my next step? How will I start the training? So you don't worry at all. After the registration, I will directly start guiding with you all the training part. Okay. If you want to take a break like anything to be done after your registration. You just wanted to save your seat. So you have your exams or you have any other personal reasons. You want to start your training part a bit later, then you can absolutely do that because you are getting lifetime access, right? So you do not need to worry. Okay, you can take the break, and if you want to start your training right away, you can do that also. So that average time period of the training is 20 to 25 days. Of course, it is completely depends upon you. How much time you are giving to your training part, the more time you give, the easier and the sooner you will start your training. Now, it is completely depends upon students. Now, students have completed the trainings in 7 days also, in 10 days also, in 15 days also. The more the time you give, the sooner you complete your trainings and sooner you start your work and your earnings. Now, if you are thinking after completing my trainings, when will I start making money? So again, it depends upon two things. First, on the basis of your package. That is why I always suggest to start your journey with the best package, because the better package you have the better trainings, the better courses, better skills, and then you will easily start making money. And the second thing, it depends upon the person you are starting your journey with. If that person do not have the knowledge to guide you, then how will you make money? But if you are starting a journey with the right person who has achieved some sort of results, at least with the platform, then of course that person would be able to help you and support you with your journey, would be able to guide you how you can create those kind of results from yourself also, right? So similarly, your income depends upon these two things. So now again, it depends upon how properly you have learned everything from your training and how properly you are implementing those things. If you are properly implementing, then you can start making money sooner. Also, now some students have started making money in 7 days also, in 15 days also, and in month also. So it completely depends upon you. The better you are learning, the better you start making money. So you will learn, you will implement, and then you will start making money. It is as simple as that. And now about the courses part. Those are provided in the recorded format on the company's website. The more time you will give to those courses, the sooner you will be skilled. On an average, a student takes 10 to 15 days to complete one single course. It is completely depends upon you. Again, the more time you give, the sooner your courses will be completed. And it is not at all important to complete all the courses. It is completely your choice. With this platform, each and every student is making money. You can go to my Instagram profile, you can check my highlights, and you can see whether it's a student or it's a working professional or a housewife. All of them are making money if they are serious for their journey. Similarly, if you're serious about your journey, about your career, then only I will provide my personal mentorship, because I also have limit to how many students I can personally guide and provide my personal mentorship. So the seats in my personal mentorship are very limited. If you are serious, then I welcome you in my personal mentorship batch. So now we have come to the most important part of this video, that is with which package you will start your journey now. I'm sure that if you have reached this part of this video, then you must have decided which package you want to start your journey. You can find the registration link in the description box below. You will find all the links there. And the Premium Plus package is the best package. You are getting 8,000 of massive discount. You are getting my personal mentorship also for free with Premium Plus package only. But this offer is for limited time period only. If you enroll within 24 to 48 hours of watching this video, then only you will get my personal mentorship. Because like I said, there are very limited seats in my personal mentorship. And I am also sure that if you are serious about changing your life, then you can take this decision within 20 to 48 hours. Within 20 to 48 hours, a person can take this kind of a decision. If you belong to a country, Bangladesh, Nepal or UAE, then those links won't work for you. Then you can text me on WhatsApp, in which we are connected. Text me your country, your package with which you want to start your journey, and I'll provide you with the link of the registration. Now listen to this part of the video very carefully, because I'm guiding you all the steps that you need to follow to complete your registration. Once you click on the registration link, a form will appear in front of you. Okay, then you have to fill your name, your last name, your age and your gender. If you do not use any last name or surname on your official documents, then you can use the dot. And whatever name or your last name you are using in your official documents, that only you have to fill in here. Okay, now when you scroll down below, you have to fill your email ID, your phone number. And also, if you are someone who is filling this out of country, like if you are not belonging to India or if you are not belonging to Bangladesh, Nepal or UAE, you are filling it from any other country on the basis of your Indian documents, then make sure that you are filling in your state or from which you belong to. Or suppose if you are from Tamil Nadu or Karnataka, then fill in that state only. Okay, now when you come down below, give your email address and your phone number only. If you want to give your parents or any of your family members, that is also okay, but try to give your number only. Okay, now coming to the password part, make sure that you're making the password format something like this. With your name, you can keep it one small, one capital letter and some symbols and then some digit. You have to keep the password format like this. Your promo code will already be applied, or you can use the promo code that is there on the screen. You need to check this also, double check this promo code that you see on the screen. This is the same promo code that is applied on your form also. Then you can see the discount price. You have to scroll down below. Then you need to click on the terms and condition and sign up. Then after that, a page will appear in front of you with all your information with your package details. Then again, you have to scroll down below. You have to click on terms and conditions and then click on pay order. It may ask you for coupon code. Then you have to skip and pay. Close any other notification that you see. Then you will come to the payment page. Click on proceed to payment and then make the payment. You can pay through anything like GPay, PhonePe, debit card or credit card. Once you have made the payment, then you have to share the payment screenshot with me over the WhatsApp. Then I'll guide you for further. Now, while you're filling the form, and if you're not able to sign up or if you are not able to proceed further, then you must have done some sort of mistake. Your password format must not be correct, or if it's showing that email ID already exists, phone number already exists, then in both the cases, even if it's showing email ID exists or phone number exists, also in both the cases, you have to change your email ID and phone number both. Both you can give in your parents or friends' email ID and phone number. You will be able to make changes this after registration. But for the registration part, we need to give in somebody else if it is not picking up your email ID or even your phone number. Then you can proceed further. And once you reach the payment page again, if for some matter, for some reason, you are not able to complete the payment, you need to open up the form. Once again, you do not need to entirely fill out the form actually. You just need to go to the login option, then sign up part. Okay, then you will go to the login. You have to fill in your email address and your password with which you have registered before. Okay, once you have done that, you will be able to enter into this website. Then you will see that your mail ID is not yet verified. Don't worry, it will be verified. You need to complete your registration. Also, you will see on top that you do not have a plan. Click here to purchase it. When you click here, you will see the plan option. Then you have to go to choose package. You will see the plan option. Click on that again. You will see the page with all your details, package details. Again, you will click on the terms and conditions, pay order, and then you will make the payment. It is similarly like before. Then you will be able to make the payment. If you are paying through Google Pay or PhonePe of somebody else's phone number, okay, somebody, your friend or from your family member's phone, then directly open this form in that phone only. Because once you choose that option of GPay or Google Pay in that phone, it will directly open up that app in that phone only, through which you will be making the payment through UPI. And if you are using any credit card or debit card, then you can do this from your phone. So, once you have shared the payment screenshot with me over the WhatsApp, I'll guide you step by step with every single thing. You will also get a mail from the company on your registration mail ID with the receipt, and you will also get a message of your registered WhatsApp number. So, from here, your journey starts. I welcome you to Team iDigitalpreneur. I also welcome you to Team Logambiga. So, one more thing. Please be very careful about this thing. There are lots of fake IDs that are being there on Instagram in my name. They will try to send you follow requests, message you they will ask you about the trading crypto. They will try to connect with you on Instagram. They will say, it is my backup account. I am from their team. They will say such things, but please know that I am not into any such thing. I do not message you or or send you follow request on Instagram. I do not have such any kind of backup account. The only backup account that I have, I mentioned in the description box below, and the main account also is on Instagram. I have mentioned in the description also. So you can follow and check those accounts only. If you are getting a message over Instagram or Telegram or any other account or follow request, kindly block or report that ID immediately. I am not into crypto trading, investment or any such things. I only share details over WhatsApp, okay? So if you have any doubts, any queries, connect with me directly over WhatsApp. And such fake IDs are also being there in the name of iDigitalpreneur. They will try to reach out to you. So make sure you avoid or you just report or block that ID also. So please be aware of such scams. Only connect with me over WhatsApp. So all the very best, and I will see you in my live sessions.